Doing?
Building a rocket ship.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Dude, I just got this new lens.
Yeah.
It's a 35 f1.4. And it looks slick.
Sounds like a car.
Rick. If it were a car, it'd be the cheapest car ever.
Really?
Yeah, I didn't have to spend that much for it. Because it's a manual focus lens. Meaning it's not fancy like new lenses, you know? It doesn't focus for you. You gotta do everything yourself.
You're talking gibberish.
Back some bass.
Checking the mic here. I'm checking the mic here. So hit the situation, rush the devastation, bring the devastation, This song's fun.
It is.
It's a little bit over the top compared to the other songs.
Yes, it is. But it's a fun over the top.
Yeah. We should just have like one part left, I think, right? Like the breakdown.
Yes.
All right. So.
I got your girl in the passenger seat. You tell me she's no good, but she's so sweet. Guess we'll see you around. Meet you on a dance floor. What the hell's I broke I got out?
How was that?
Sounds good.